The statement by the RSS chief labeling the anti-CA protests as organized violence shows how much the RSS is afraid of dissent and how much it hates when people of India come forward for the protection of their constitutional right and for the protection of the idea of India. The CA was an anti-people law. It was an anti-people policy against the idea of India, against the idea of equality, and that is the reason people of India democratically protested it. Labeling this democratic protest is an insult to the people of India. We would like to say that blindly believing any law that the government brings and calling it nationalism is incorrect. But if a government comes with any policies which is against the idea of India, which is anti-people, so opposing such anti-people policies is the real patriotism. Secondly, now we come to know why the law enforcement agencies targeted the people who were involved in the anti-CA protest. Many activists have been booked, and this agenda was actually set by the RSS through the BJP, and the police acted on that. And now it is evident that the idea of labeling the peaceful protesters rioters had actually come from Nagpur, and the various BJP government implemented it through the law enforcement agencies. What we would like to say is that the opposition to the CA, NRC, NPR will continue because it is anti-people, and the opposition will continue till this law is repealed.